Hi everybody and welcome to Teen Tuesday. This week we are making DIY snow globes. To make a snow globe, you're going to need a watertight container, like a jar. You're going to need glitter to act as snow, water, and glycerin. The glycerin we're going to add to the water to change the viscosity. This is going to cause the glitter snow to fall slower. You're also going to need some figurines to put inside of your snow globe, and a piece of ribbon to decorate the lid. If the figurines and items that you're putting inside of your snow globe are small and you can't see them over the edge of your lid, what you can do is put something inside the lid to act as a riser to put your figurines on. This item will need to be waterproof. So for my example, I'm going to be using a styrofoam cup as a riser inside of my lid. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the styrofoam cup to fit inside the lid of my jar. So I'm going to see how high it is, and then I'm going to use scissors to try and cut a straight cut around the edge of the styrofoam cup at that height. So now I have a tiny little cup that's going to go inside the lid of my jar, like that. So grab your hot glue gun, and if you're doing this with the riser like me, apply the hot glue to the edge of your styrofoam, and then place it down on the inside of your lid. All right. Now we can take our figurines and attach them to the riser. Create your cute little diorama. Decide how you'd like the figurines to sit. That's cute. And then glue them in place. So now the inside diorama part of our snow globe is ready to go. Now we're going to prepare the liquid ingredients for our snow globe. We're going to put the water, the glycerin, and the glitter in the jar. I'm going to start with the glitter. Now I'm going to add water and the glycerin. Now you're going to notice that the glycerin is going to settle into the bottom of your jar. So what you're going to need to do is give it a good stir. Okay, so my glycerin and water are pretty well mixed. I'm going to add a bit more water. And then I'm going to use a large bowl. So I'm going to put my jar inside of the bowl, because I'm going to now put this inside the jar. As I do so, I may have put more water in the jar than it will hold with this inside of it. So the water is going to come out the edges of the jar. The bowl is going to catch the liquid that comes out. My jar is not sealing very well. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to wipe off the edge of the rim here. Keep all that glitter in there. And I'm going to apply hot glue to the edge of the jar so that it seals when I put the lid back on. And that feels good. Now I won't be able to open this jar again. Okay, now, look at that, snow's falling. That's so cool. That's a lot of snow. That's a blizzard. Poor little bunnies. All right, well, you now have a snow globe. You also have a piece of ribbon that you can use to decorate around the bottom of the jar. So what you would do is you would wrap it around the edge of the jar and just glue it in place. And I'm done. Now I have a lovely little snow globe with 2 bunnies and a tree. Feel free to add whatever you'd like to the inside of yours. You don't have to use the bunnies and the tree that came from the library. They're just super cute, and I like them. Oh.